People often ask me, what makes nutrition response testing more effective than other therapies? And the answer is that nutrition response testing is the only method I have ever seen or come across that can truly identify the organs of the body that are not functioning, and most importantly, which organ or organs are the priority that have to be handled to reverse the health condition. But even that's not enough, because once we understand what the priority is, the question is, what's going to fix it? And in nutrition response testing, we have the ability to identify the precise nutritional supplementation that will reverse the condition and restore the integrity of health. If you'd like more information about nutrition response testing and what it might do for you, you can visit my website at www.michaelformandom.com.